While most investors are still watching NIO's stock price move around the $5 level, the company may have just announced one of its biggest competitive advantages yet, because while almost every other EV company is racing to build faster charging stations, NIO is quietly making charging almost irrelevant. Brand new corporate updates reveal that NIO's 5th-generation battery swap stations can now replace an entire EV battery in just 1 minute and 48 seconds. That's faster than most people spend filling up a gas-powered car. But that's only the beginning. At the exact same time, NIO just signed a major partnership that could expand its battery swap network by 500 new stations without paying for most of the infrastructure itself. And if that wasn't enough, the company has also broken ground on a brand new battery research center featuring 31 specialized testing laboratories, giving NIO even more control over one of the most expensive parts of every electric vehicle. So, is NIO quietly building an advantage that competitors simply can't match? Or is Wall Street still underestimating what this technology could mean for the company's future? Today we're breaking down why these 3 announcements could completely reshape the long-term investment story, why analysts are paying close attention to NIO's battery-as-a-service business, and why this may become one of the company's biggest profit drivers over the next several years. If you enjoy uncovering the biggest market-moving stories before they become mainstream, make sure you're subscribed to the Daily Squeeze. Every single day we break down the hidden numbers, institutional moves, and catalysts that Wall Street is watching before everyone else. And stick around until the end of today's video, because one small detail hidden inside NIO's latest announcement could completely change the economics of its entire battery swap business. Now, let's get into it. When most investors think about electric vehicles, they usually think about batteries, charging times, and driving range. For years, one of the biggest arguments against buying an EV has been simple. What happens if I have to wait 30 or 40 minutes just to recharge? Even with today's fast chargers, drivers still need to stop, plug in, wait, and then continue their journey. NIO has never believed that should be the future. Instead, the company built something almost no other automaker has attempted on a large scale: battery swapping. Instead of charging your battery, you simply drive into a fully automated station. The system removes your old battery, installs a fully charged one, and you're back on the road. Now that idea has existed for several years, but many investors questioned whether it could ever become commercially viable. Would it be fast enough? Would it be profitable? Would customers actually use it? Well, the latest corporate update just answered one of those questions. According to official technical specifications, NIO's brand new 5th-generation battery swap stations can now complete an entire battery replacement in as little as 1 minute and 48 seconds. Think about that for a second. Less than 2 minutes. By the time someone finishes checking a text message, the battery swap is already complete. That's not just an improvement over traditional charging. It's an improvement over NIO's previous generation of swap stations as well. The 4th-generation system required approximately 2 minutes and 24 seconds. That means the new generation cuts valuable time off every single swap. At first, 30 or 40 seconds might not sound like a huge improvement, but when you multiply that across hundreds of vehicles every day, the impact becomes enormous. And that's exactly where today's biggest story begins. The new stations don't just work faster, they also work harder. Official data shows each station can now store between 21 and 28 battery packs, depending on configuration. More importantly, maximum operating capacity increases to approximately 500 battery swaps every single day. That's a major increase in throughput. Why does that matter? Because infrastructure profitability depends on utilization. The more customers each station can serve, the faster those stations generate recurring revenue. Imagine owning a restaurant. If you can only serve 100 customers per day, your revenue has a limit. But if you redesign the kitchen and suddenly serve 500 customers, without dramatically increasing labor costs, your business becomes much more efficient. That's essentially what NIO is doing with its battery swap network. Higher capacity, more customers, greater efficiency, and potentially stronger long-term returns. But perhaps the smartest part of this upgrade has nothing to do with speed. It's compatibility. Previous generations were designed mainly around NIO's own vehicles. The new architecture changes that. The 5th-generation stations now support all 3 major brands under the company's ecosystem: the premium NIO lineup, ONVO, and Firefly. That might sound like a simple engineering decision, but financially, it's incredibly important. Imagine if every brand required its own dedicated infrastructure, separate stations, separate maintenance, separate operating costs. That would dramatically increase capital spending. Instead, one network now supports every brand. As more ONVO and Firefly vehicles reach the road, the same infrastructure becomes more valuable. One investment, 3 customer groups. That's exactly the kind of efficiency long-term investors like to see. But here's where today's story becomes even more interesting. For years, one of the biggest criticisms surrounding NIO's battery swap strategy had nothing to do with technology. It was cost. Building thousands of battery swap stations isn't cheap. Every new location requires land, equipment, installation, and maintenance. Bearish investors repeatedly argued that expanding the network would consume enormous amounts of cash. Now, NIO may have found a solution. The company has officially signed a strategic agreement with Zhongan Energy to jointly build 500 new battery swap stations over the next 12 months. But here's the part many investors completely missed. NIO isn't paying for all of them. Instead, the company is expanding an asset-light partnership model. Under this structure, energy partners provide much of the capital required to build and own the physical stations. NIO contributes its software, automation, battery swap technology, and daily operational management. Think about what that means. Instead of spending billions building every location alone, NIO can continue expanding while preserving more of its own cash. That's a huge difference. For years, critics claimed battery swapping would always require massive capital spending. This partnership directly addresses that concern. It allows the network to grow without placing all of the financial burden on NIO's balance sheet. And if this model proves successful, there's no reason it couldn't eventually be replicated with additional regional energy companies. That's exactly why Wall Street is paying close attention. They're asking whether NIO could become much more than an EV manufacturer. Whether proprietary chips, artificial intelligence, software, and autonomous systems eventually become meaningful profit centers. And if that happens, today's valuation could look very different. Now let's talk about what investors should watch next. The next earnings report will likely become one of the most important events of the year. Investors will closely monitor whether revenue actually approaches that projected $4.87 billion figure. They'll examine vehicle margins, cash flow, operating losses, management guidance, and perhaps most importantly, whether executives continue expanding their AI and semiconductor strategy beyond automotive applications. Because if NIO delivers another quarter of accelerating growth while confirming improving profitability, institutional confidence could strengthen even further. But if results disappoint, the stock may remain under pressure despite all of the long-term optimism. That's why the coming months could determine whether NIO becomes one of the biggest turnaround stories in the EV industry, or whether investors decide more proof is still needed. One thing is certain: the conversation surrounding NIO is changing. This is no longer just a discussion about vehicle deliveries. It's becoming a debate about artificial intelligence, semiconductors, software, and whether one company can successfully combine all of those businesses into a single long-term growth platform. And that's exactly why Wall Street appears far more interested than the daily stock chart might suggest. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think NIO deserves a higher valuation because of its growing AI and semiconductor business? Or do you believe investors should wait until those technologies begin generating significant profits before becoming more bullish? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, because I read as many of them as I can. And if you enjoyed today's breakdown, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the Daily Squeeze, and turn on notifications so you never miss another market-moving update. The biggest opportunities in the market often appear long before they become obvious to everyone else. Until next time, keep learning, keep investing wisely, and I'll see you in the next video.